Welcome back, students. I am Morpita Shah, lecturer of Shamapada Das College of Education. Today I will teach the types of personality. According to different psychologists, there are different types of personality. And in our previous class, we have talked about what is personality and what is the facts of personality. And what are the facts of personality actually. So in this class, we will learn the types of personality. So personality can be divided into constitutional types, sociological types, psychological types and somatic types. And another one is modern classification of personality. This can be divided grossly. So first we will talk about the constitutional or physical type. Okay, this is according to Christopher. This can be divided into Pythonic type, asthenic type, athletic type and dysplastic type. ঠিক আছে, এই চারটে ভাগে ভাগ করা হয়েছে। কনস্টিটিউশনের মধ্যে আরো সাব ক্যাটাগরিজ রয়েছে, সেগুলি হচ্ছে এই চারটে ভাগে ভাগ করা হয়েছে। In Pythonic type, we find the body type characterized by a short, thickest, stocky, or physical according to Christopher. Individual tends to jovial, extroverted, and subjected to mood swing. So these are the characteristics of a Pythonic Pythonic personality. Second one, he has talked about asthenic. So what are the traits which we can find in asthenic category or asthenic types of personality? That is, we will find the slender or slim body. They have the personality traits of introverts. They are much more introverts. These people tends to suffer from serious mental disorder and weak talk, sensitive, and or they're much more emotional. These are the traits which we can find in these types of personality. Next one is athletic types of personality. They will be strong. Athletic নামটা থেকে আমরা বুঝতে পারছি they love to play. Energetic, aggressive, will be aggressive, strong, determined, and balanced character. Okay, comparable, they are comparable with the ambivert category personality, and serious thinking and interested in various types of activities. They love to play much more than the other category types of people. So these are the traits which we can find in athletic types of personality. Then comes the next category, subcategory, that is dysplastic category. And dysplastic types of personality have unproportionate body and do not belong to any three types of personality, that is introvert, extrovert or ambivert. The disproportionate cause because of their hormonal imbalance, and behavior and personality are also imbalanced. So they are in certain way imbalanced categories people, the personality which we can find that is imbalanced, that is not completely balanced on everything. Now next comes the sociological type, that is according to philosopher of German or the German people has said that sociological types is divided into 6 categories, 6 subcategories. First one is theoretical type, second one is economical type, third one is aesthetic type, fourth one is religious types, fifth one is social types, and last one is political types. So these are the 6 categories. Theoretical means in his thinking, theory will be much more added, or he will think logically. Second one is economic types is their economic condition will be stable. Third one is aesthetic, they will always find the beauty in everything. Okay. Fourth one is religious, much more religion, এটা থেকে বোঝা যাচ্ছে religious হবে এবং social হবে, who will love to talk with the person who are staying nearby him. আর তার আশেপাশে যে সমস্ত মানুষগুলি থাকবে সোশ্যালের ভীষণ সোশ্যাল হবে, সমাজে মেলামেশা করতে পছন্দ করবে। এবং লাস্ট ওয়ান ইজ পলিটিক্যালি যার থিঙ্কিং ভীষণ স্ট্রং হবে, তার পার্সোনালিটি ভীষণ স্ট্রং হবে। এই ক্যাটাগরিগুলি সাব ক্যাটাগরিগুলি আসছে সোশিওলজিক্যাল টাইপ, and which is according to the philosophers of German. Third category is psychological type. Psychological types according to the Swiss psychologist, that is introvert, extrovert, ambivert. What is introvert? An introvert person will be love to stay within himself or herself. তার নিজের মধ্যেই থাকতে ভালোবাসবে. He will love to talk about, he will never love to talk with other person. কারোর সাথে কথা বলতে ভালোবাসবে না. He will create his own zone. He will always love to talk about himself. He'll be self-conscious, not social, prefer certain people within his zone. He will always create a zone, and he will prefer only few people within his zone. Not everybody can enter within the zone. And not at a social grouping. He doesn't love grouping, social grouping, and introspectives. He will always love to think about what he is doing, what he need to do. Okay, this is the characteristics which we can find in introvert person or personality. Extrovert will be talkative and socially adaptable to an interest in people and creates a circle of friends. And third one is ambivert. Ambivert will be who will have both the qualities of introvert and extrovert, যার মধ্যে এই দুটি ক্যারেক্টারের সমস্ত গুণাবলীগুলি থাকবে এবং ভীষণ ব্যালেন্সড হবে. These are three types of personality which we can find within a human being. Our fourth category is somatic type of people. Somatic type is according to the according to William Sheldon, that is the somatic category types of people: endomorphic, ectomorphic, and mesomorphic. Okay, these are the three types which we can find. Endomorphy is people will have soft hearted, they will be much more emotional, and they will be fat and round body, having predominance of abdominal region, and sociable and relaxed. These are the traits of endomorphic people. Second one is ectomorphic category. They will be tall, thin, and flat chested. They are shy, they will be reserved and self-conscious, and they will be much more introverted. They will like the introverted people who will love to think or talk about himself or within himself. তার নিজের মধ্যে কথা বলতে ভালোবাসে. তার চরিত্রের বৈশিষ্ট্যগুলি থিন হবে এবং পাতলা রোগা সোগা মানুষ হবে. দে আর শাই, ভীষণ লাজুকে হবে, and reserved ক্যাটেগরির হবে. The third one is that mesomorphic. Mesomorphic traits is that they will be built within heavy and strong muscles, physically active, noisy হবে ভীষণ, adventurous হবে by nature, and energetic, love to talk, love to take risk. These are the qualities which we can find in mesomorphic personality. The most important thing is that introvert, extrovert, and ambivert, these three types of personality was given by Jung, whatever you will say, introvert, extrovert, and ambivert. Generally, these are the types of category which he has talked about. The person William Sheldon and the philosophers of German, Swiss psychologists, everybody has talked about different types of personality, but which we generally take to describe a personality of a person, that is according to Jung, that is introvert type, extrovert type, and ambivert type. Okay, so we have completed what are the types of personality. In our next class, I will come with the other topic. Until then, thank you.